We're here in Bella Lago looking at the Hemingway model. If you guys haven't been to Bella Lago, this is a D.R. Horton property, and it does have a lot of amenities for D.R. Horton. It comes with two pools. Both are actually heated now. There's a playground, a dog park, and a fitness center here. Now the Hemingway model here is 5 bedrooms. This is a big house, 3 bathrooms. This is a 2-car garage, and it's 2-story. And if you don't know, D.R. Horton does block on both levels, which is really great because that makes your building a lot stronger. It's just under 3,000 square feet. Upon entering the Hemingway model, you're going to see a flex space. Now this space can be used for your home office, an extra TV room, or maybe the kids' play area. Now this model has a really cool passageway through the flex room into the kitchen with a pantry area right here. The great room in the kitchen is an open concept. You're getting lots of light in here. It's a large space. It overlooks the lanai. You've got a lot of room to spread out. Your whole family can be down here. And now remember, this is a traditional series model, which means you're going to have to buy your own refrigerator, your own blinds, and your own washer and dryer. Off the great room area, we have a full bedroom with a bathroom. You have a great storage closet underneath the stairs, so you got extra room there. And your garage door entry is over here as well. Let's go take a look at the upstairs. Now, when you get upstairs, you're greeted with this huge loft area. Again, you can put your office, another living room, a playroom, whatever your heart desires. This house really lends to having a lot of options. And off to my side over here is another huge storage closet. So you're going to have a lot of storage with this house. After that, you have another spacious master bedroom with a very large bathroom. You've got 2 vanities, shower, bathtub, and then again, another very large closet. Now down the hall, we've got another 3 bedrooms, a full bath, and a laundry room with a sink. I really love having a sink in my laundry room. I don't know about you. And then plus being on this level with most of the bedrooms, it's going to make your life a lot easier than having to go up and down the stairs all the time with the laundry. All right, guys, if you have any questions about this model, Bella Lago, or Parrish in general, give us a call. It's Amy and Tom, Keys to the Coast Real Estate. Also, check out our website, www.homesforSaleParrishFlorida.com. I have a really good new construction buyer's guide. If you guys are interested, I'm going to put the link below. It really has every builder, all the HOA fees, what property they're building in. It's a really, really good resource. All right, that's it for now. I'll see you guys. Bye.